This is ballooning, a real spider superpower that lets them travel miles through the air. No wings needed.
Spiders. Across forests, deserts, bedrooms, and backyards all around the world, one creature lives closer to us than almost any other. It hides in corners. It climbs across ceilings. It slips under logs and between stones. And yet, most of us know almost nothing about the private lives of spiders. Today on Creature Insights, we dive deep into the secret world of spiders. A world full of bizarre habits, hidden talents, strange biology, and shocking behaviors. We'll uncover 20 weird and little-known facts, and we'll talk honestly about whether spiders carry diseases, and what they can truly transmit to humans. Prepare yourself. Because after this story, you'll never look at spiders the same way again. 1. Spiders don't have bones, they have liquid skeletons. Unlike insects with hard shells, spiders rely on hydraulic pressure to move. They pump fluid through their legs, allowing them to jump, lift, and grip with surprising strength. If a spider runs out of internal pressure, like when it dies, its legs curl inward because the system collapses. They don't bend. They deflate. 2. Some spiders can launch themselves like mini catapults. Jumping spiders don't use muscles to leap. They explode forward by forcing blood into their legs at high pressure. This lets them jump 40 times their body length. The human equivalent of jumping across a football field. 3. The peacock spider has a color display that puts birds to shame. Found in Australia, the male peacock spider performs dances with bright neon colors. Its back displays shades of electric blue, glowing orange, and shimmering purple. It wiggles, vibrates, taps, and waves its legs in rhythmic patterns. If the female doesn't like the dance, she might eat him. Natural selection is brutal. 4. Spiders can taste with their feet. Yes, taste. When a spider touches something with the tiny hairs on its legs, it can read chemical signals instantly. That means spiders taste test everything they walk on. Your floor? Your wall? Your lamp? They've tasted it all. 5. The world's most venomous spider rarely bites humans. The Sydney funnel web spider is often called the most dangerous spider on Earth. But here's the twist, even though its venom is powerful, it almost never attacks humans unless threatened. And since the creation of an anti-venom in the 1980s, deaths are extremely rare. The monster is real. But the danger is small. 6. Spider silk is stronger than steel, by weight. If you had a steel thread as thin as a spider web, it would snap long before the silk does. Some types of silk are 5 times stronger than steel and stretch like rubber. Scientists dream of creating spider silk armor, ropes, and even medical sutures. Nature invented fiber optics long before humans. 7. Some spiders can fly without wings. Through a technique called ballooning, tiny spiders climb to high points, release a thread of silk, and let the wind carry them. This allows them to travel miles, sometimes even across oceans. Pilots have reported spiders landing on airplane windows, at 10,000 feet. Yes. They're up there too. 8. Tarantulas can live for decades, and females live the longest. Female tarantulas commonly live 20 to 30 years, with some reaching 40 plus. Males? They're lucky to see age 6. It's one of the biggest lifespan differences between genders in the animal kingdom. 9. Spiders sleep, and they dream. Recent studies show jumping spiders enter REM-like sleep. Their bodies twitch, their eyes move behind their skin, and they react as if experiencing dreams. What does a spider dream about? Hunting? Climbing? Finding a mate? We don't know, but they definitely dream. 10. The Goliath bird-eater isn't dangerous, it's just huge. The Goliath bird-eater is often portrayed as terrifying, with legs the size of dinner plates. But its venom is mild, similar to a wasp sting. The real danger? Its hairs. When threatened, it kicks tiny barbed hairs into the air that can irritate human skin, and seriously burn your eyes. 11. Assassin spiders eat other spiders using an extra long neck. These strange creatures, found in Madagascar, look like they came straight from a horror movie. Their neck is stretched long, and their jaws are shaped like deadly swords. They swing their heads like weapons, striking so fast that prey spiders barely react. A spider that hunts spiders. A true apex predator of the tiny world. 12. Spiders can spin multiple types of silk for different jobs. A single spider can produce 7 different kinds of silk, each for wrapping prey, building webs, creating egg sacs, making safety lines, ballooning, capturing insects, reinforcing tunnels. Every thread has a purpose, like a toolbox made of silk. 13. Some spiders fake their own death to survive. Thanatosis, or playing dead, is a trick used by several spider species. When threatened, they freeze, curl up, and wait. Predators often lose interest. And when the coast is clear, the spider suddenly springs back to life. Hollywood couldn't write a better survival scene. 14. Black widows aren't as aggressive as their reputation. Black widows rarely chase or attack humans. Most bites happen only when someone accidentally presses against one. Their venom is powerful, but antivenom exists, and fatalities in the US are extremely low. They're more misunderstood than murderous. 15. Spiders don't transmit human diseases. Here's the truth many people don't know. Spiders do not transmit diseases like mosquitoes, flies, or ticks. They cannot spread viruses such as HIV, malaria, Zika, dengue, yellow fever, Lyme disease. Their biology simply doesn't allow it. The only risks to humans are venom in rare bites, allergic reactions, infection from scratching a bite. But spiders themselves do not carry or transmit human diseases. This makes them one of the safest common arthropods around us. 16. The Brazilian wandering spider has a surprising side effect. This spider has venom powerful enough to cause intense pain, but it also causes an unusual reaction in humans, prolonged, painful, well, you know. Doctors have studied this venom for potential medical uses. Nature is strange. 17. Some spiders share food and raise babies together. Social spiders live in colonies of hundreds or thousands. They share giant communal webs the size of houses. They cooperate, hunt together, and raise their young as a group. A rare behavior in the spider world. It's basically a tiny 8-legged society. 18. Trapdoor spiders build hidden bunkers. These spiders create perfectly round trapdoors made of soil and silk. They wait silently beneath it for hours, sometimes days. When prey walks by, the door bursts open. Like a horror movie jump scare. Trapdoor spiders are nature's elite ambush predators. 19. Ogre-faced spiders hunt with night vision better than cats. These spiders see at night up to 2,000 times better than humans. Their eyes are so sensitive, they can detect the faintest movement. To hunt, they stretch a tiny web between their legs and lunge downward like a living fishing net. It's one of the most advanced hunting systems in the animal world. 20. Some spiders mimic ants to survive. Ant-mimicking spiders disguise themselves by walking like ants, holding legs like antennae, copying ant movements, living among ant colonies. Why? Predators avoid ants because they sting and work in groups. By pretending to be an ant, a fragile spider becomes untouchable. Spiders are the masters of disguise. From dream-sleeping jumpers to long-necked assassins, from silk stronger than steel to spiders that soar on the wind, the world of spiders is much stranger, and much more fascinating, than most people ever imagine. And now you know the truth. Spiders don't spread diseases like many people believe. They're actually one of the cleanest, least dangerous creatures living in our homes. So the next time you see a spider on your ceiling, remember, it's probably protecting you from mosquitoes, roaches, flies, and pests that do cause disease. Spiders are nature's silent guardians. Creatures of mystery, beauty, and mind-blowing ability. This has been Creature Insights. Thank you for watching. And if you love learning about the strange, the hidden, and the wild, don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into nature's most incredible animals.